Hello guys and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to make $20 in Bybit. So let's get started. First scroll down and go to SpotX. Here click on token splash. Leave the first and tap on second. Once you tap you have to register here. After that tap on trade now. You have to trade at least 500 USDT in order to be eligible. Don't worry, you can do it with $10. So tap on trade now here. So tap on trade now. Here make sure to set this option to market so you can directly place order. And after you place order, buy one like this. And then make sure to directly sell it to avoid loss. You can repeat this process again and again until you hit 500 USDT volume in trading. So that's it for this video guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.